Live your best life, because you only get one of them, you know. You're a top couple and you're well respected. Oh, 100%. Pete, thank you so much for the love, Pete. Really appreciate that, mate. We are respected. I know we get a few haters online and all that. I know that, and I wasn't going to start going down a road where we start, you know, shooting haters and all that. The reality is that haters are people that just don't like life, full stop. They don't like their place in life, but that's because they can't do anything about it. They're people that generally are lonely, but they're not lonely by accident. They're lonely for a reason, because they're just not nice people. People don't want to be around people that are not nice. If there's 10 people in a room and 5 of them are nice and 5 of them are horrible, which ones are you going to hang out with? You need to look at who you've got around you, and you need to find the good ones and get rid of the shitty ones and stick with the good, mate. Because remember what I've said, you live once, only once. And I'll tell you what, there's not a day that goes by where I don't live my best life. And look, I'm going to show you again, just in case you jumped on my live, right? Look at that. That could be you, right? And when I say that, what I mean is some things are just supposed to be different. Some things are supposed to be different, but different doesn't mean bad, right? Different doesn't mean boring. Different doesn't mean weird. I mean, look at that. Look how different that is to everything else there. And the other thing I want to say to you as well is, don't be afraid to stand out. Do you know what I mean? Don't be afraid to stand out. Don't be afraid to make noise. Don't be afraid to tell the world how good you are at what you do. That's what that car, it's only one of my cars. Of course, that's what it represents. It represents the fact that I'm actually really good at what I do. So what do you do, Frank? TikTok, Facebook? No. To me, they're just hobbies. Social media to me is a hobby. It's a great hobby, I have to say. I really enjoy it. I've never been any good at fishing, and I've never been any good at like golf or football or anything like that. So, you know, social media is my thing. I enjoy it. I don't like the look of myself in, you know, on camera. I'll be honest, I'm not really a lover of looking at myself. So that side of it, yeah, okay, it's not the bit I love. But I love the effect it has on people. I love the fact that people can, you know, can look at what I put out and they can have a little laugh or a giggle or be informed or just generally just be happier. Find some connection to what I'm putting out there, whether it's expensive hats or nice clothes or funky trainers or Lamborghinis, Ferraris, no matter what it is, guys, whatever it is that you like about what I put out there, even if you don't like it, even if you're one of those haters and you hate everything that we do because we're having a good time and a good life, do you know what? I'm glad because you get something out of it as well. You get to watch, you get to hate, you get to see something that you actually hate. You know what I mean? Everyone's a winner, baby. Woo! Everyone's a winner, baby. That's a true. Yeah. Anyway, look, it's constant. It's constant. It makes people smile. I make people smile. And do you know what? There's a lot of you, right, watching this here. A lot of you make people smile too. Just need to see it. You just need to see it, and you need to spend more time with those that you make smile, because when you make them smile, they're going to make you smile right back. And you know what, mate? Life is going to be better. I think a lot of people's problems are genuinely caused by themselves, because they just don't want to deal with the things that are really making them unhappy. You know, and a lot of the time, the things that are making you unhappy are the people that are around you. There's a lot of you hanging around with a lot of wrong uns, man, and you need to do something about that. That's why with me, you know, you've always seen I don't fuck about, you know. If someone's not nice, mate, I've got no time for them whatsoever in any capacity.